Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Chin Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Kalam Kawal Twitter review Memoti and Vinayakan share Carl Banker. Here are 7 tweets to read before watching. Mamoti share Kalam Kawal premiere today aimed a lot of excitement from fans of the star and here's what they are saying. Written by Abhishek Kriwal, journalist updated on 5th December 2025. Kalam Kawal has been revealed to the public and the Malayalam crime thriller starring Mammootty in the main role directed by Jitin K. George. The film follows the story of a police officer in the Kerala police force in the early 2000s as the main character starts investigating a seemingly unassuming case in the quiet village of Kotiki Konam. He ends up encountering much deeper secrets that the police holds about Kalam Kawal. Sub-Inspector Rajan Abraham reveals a string of mysterious and small clues that connect to a massive plan of crime cases. These evidences uncover the truth behind many unsolved cases that have been lying in the law enforcement center for years with unexpected connections to each other, setting out on a path to unveil the truth behind many mysteries. Shankar Das Mammootty surfaces as the unexpected villain of the story. Mammootty and Vinayakan are in the lead roles with Kibin, Gopinath, Gayatri Arun, Rajisha Vijayan and Shruti Ramchandran starring in supporting characters. Many fans of the superstar jumped in to check out the first shows of the film and have taken to social media to react to the screenings. Some even popped in during intermission to share their views on Kalam Kawal. Kalam Kawal X review. Many have praised the 74-year-old for his performance as the lead police officer, also celebrating the efforts of Vinayakan and other actors. The storytelling of Jitin K. Jose has also earned accolades from the viewers with one user commending the screenplay. What a banger performance and swag from Mamote Vinayakan and other characters sport well. Gripping a screenplay from the director Jitin from beginning to interval block. The special vintage track was Mammootty is super cool, unexpected to interval block which makes excitement for second half. The film is also being hailed as the comeback release for Mammootty after the unfortunate runs of Dominic and the Ladies Purse and Bazooka. And the man is back baby Mammootty. Extraordinary response for Kalam Kawal from the first show after two flops. The Mollywood portraiture made his traffic comeback peak bubble indeed. Some users were more natural with their reviews praising the efforts but not happy with the overall execution. The approximate stars for the film seems to be in the 3 and 4 zone, which is not bad, especially considering the year-end release and the upcoming holiday season looming. Kalam Kawal 3.4 by 5 stars above average watch. Momoka's performance is the main positive saving grace in this movie. Parathil Nala Riteli Log Onderion. The music and BGM by Mujib is so fantastic and the direction is many scenes looked so amateurish. Voice Kalam Kawal good direction and good screenplay with strong performances from entire cast. The music and BGM was perfect for creating the mood of the film. 8 chapters will keep you hooked to know what will happen next. Another best performance of Mamote. Kalam Kawal box office updated is awaited. After Kalam Kawal review, Mamote dominates as a chilling villain in a rather predictable crime thriller. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.